Namaste and welcome to our new series on Mudras here on our channel. If you are looking to deepen your yoga practice, connect with your inner energy, or simply explore the wisdom of ancient traditions, you are in the right place. Before we dive into individual mudras in the coming weeks, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a mudra? The word mudra comes from Sanskrit and can be translated as seal, gesture or mark. But in yoga, it's so much more. Mudras are symbolic hand positions or gestures that channel your body's energy, enhance your meditation, and even bring balance to your mind and body. Mudras are an integral part of various spiritual practices. For instance, when you see images of Buddha, you will notice his hands often form different gestures, each with its own meaning. The most common one is the Dhyan Mudra, where the hands rest on the lap with the right palm over the left, symbolizing meditation and concentration. This mudra and others like it have been practiced by yogis for thousands of years. They are not just for meditation, they can also be used to enhance pranayam, breathing exercise, asanas, postures, and even day-to-day mindfulness. But where did these gestures come from? Mudras have been part of Indian tradition for thousands of years. They are mentioned in the Vedas, Upanishads, and other ancient texts. Yogis and sages used them to connect with the divine, to channel their inner energy, and to bring balance to their lives. They are even depicted in the art of ancient temples, a testament to their importance across centuries. Mudras aren't exclusive to yoga. They are found in various Indian classical dances, where they tell stories and convey emotions. In Hindu rituals, different mudras are used to evoke deities, to offer prayer, and to perform sacred rites. And in Buddhism, mudras are essential in the practice of meditation, helping practitioners attain deeper state of awareness. So, why mudras so significant? In yoga, we believe that our body is a microcosm of the universe. Each part of our body corresponds to one of the five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. By practicing mudras, we can balance these elements within ourselves. Let's take a moment to explore these elements. Earth represents stability and grounding. Water symbolizes fluidity and adaptability. Fire stands for transformation and energy. Air is associated with movement and freedom. And space represents the vast potential within and around us. When these elements are in harmony, our physical, mental, and spiritual health flourishes. But if one or more elements are out of balance, it can lead to discomfort or illness. That's where mudra comes in. They help restore this balance, influencing our health and well-being. In this series, every week we will explore a different mudra in detail. I will guide you through how to perform it, explain its benefits, and share when and why you should use it in your daily life. Whether you are looking to calm your mind, boost your energy, or enhance your meditation, there is a mudra for that. Before we wrap up today's introduction, here are a few tips on practicing mudras. First, mudras can be done at any time, but the best results are often seen when practiced during meditation or pranayam. You don't need any specific equipment, just a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. Hold the mudra for at least 5 to 15 minutes and focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. Consistency is key. Try to practice daily to experience the full benefits. And remember, like all aspects of yoga, mudras are a personal journey. Listen to your body and mind and explore what works best for you. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and healing together.